will introduce the camera that I will use. This is a DSLR camera or a digital camera. This is a Nikon D5000. It also have a lens Sigma DJ 70-300mm. This camera has, and this lens is a telephoto lens used to capture like capturing animals. As you can see, there is a switch, that delete button, playback button, menu button, and zoom in button, zoom out button, and edit button. And this is a, and as you can see, this is a viewfinder and the viewfinder adjuster. And as you can see, this is a multi-selector button and command dial, mode selector, exposure compensation, info, and the shutterless button, switch how you on and off. And this small light is a focusing light, and flashlight, flash button, release lens button. And also you can see the digital or the LCD of this camera. And now I will demonstrate the proper handling of the camera. First, as you can see, this have a sling. The sling put in your neck so that the camera is safety of dropping. And as you can see, the dominant hand is holding right here, and this finger is the only finger that I use to control the shutterless button, and this finger is the support that you can capture stable, and also your elbow here tightly. And now the positioning of the using camera. First, the standing positioning. Standing positioning, make sure that you stand in a balanced area and hold the camera tightly like this, and your elbow and our elbow is clipped in our body so that we can capture stable, and you can put the camera eye level and capture because you have a stable position. And this is how you capture the landscape, and this is a portrait. And now I will demonstrate the sitting position. Sitting position, your Indian seat. Your elbow must be put in your knee so that the camera is stable and you capture good. And put the camera eye level, and this is how you capture the landscape and the portrait. And now I will demonstrate the kneeling position. Kneeling position, and also your elbow must fit in your body so that you can capture stable, and this is how you capture the landscape and the portrait. And now I will demonstrate the rolling position. First, your elbow must be here so that you have a balanced position, and your chest up like this, and hold the camera tightly. And this is how you capture the landscape and the portrait.